guys, my name's Hamilton and I'm from Honkas in Potts Point. I wanted to teach you how to make a perfect martini. So first of all, I'm going to start with a glass. This glass is going to be our mixing glass. So first of all, you want to add some ice. What we're going to be doing is chilling the drink. You'll also see I've got a martini glass, some ice in that, and then add some water. Adding the water will actually make the glass a lot colder quicker. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a gin martini, okay? We're going to do a dirty martini. So basically dirty means that we're adding some olive brine to the martini to give it a nice salty flavour. You want 60 mils of gin, then you want some dry vermouth. We want about 10 mils of that. And then olive brine. Olive brine is juice from the olives. Just add 10 mils of that. So what we want to do here now is we put the spoon down between the ice and the glass and we stir it slowly, and that's done. So we have our glass here from before. What I'm going to do is tip out the water and the ice, and then we're going to pour in the martini, and we're going to add some olives. And there you are, guys. Your dirty gin martini. Enjoy, have a great day, and hope to see you at Honkas sometime soon. Thank you.